Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
In the second question, calculate the number of moles in 9.0345 times 10 raised to power 23 molecules of ammonia. You know that 1 mole is equals to 6.023 times 10 raised to power 23. Now what about 9.0345 times 10 raised to power 23? That is how many moles? Then this will be 9.0345 times 10 raised to power 23 times 1. We divide by 6.023 times 10 raised to power 23. That will be 1.5 moles. 1.5 moles. That is how you're supposed to go about those two questions. I hope you've now gotten what or how we are going about those questions. It is just in the conversion of molecules and moles to molecules. One thing you just need to know is that 1 mole is equivalent to 6.023 times 10 raised to power 23. That is what you need to know. And once you know that, it will be so easy for you to be able to calculate. And this is 1 mole of any substance, be it a gas, be it a metal or something like that. So 1 mole is equals to 6.023 raised to power 10 times 10 raised to power 23 particles. And those particles are the ones you say they can either be molecules, can be atoms, can be ions, can be electrons, and so on. Therefore, that is where we are ending the interconversion of molecules and moles. Interconversion of molecules to moles and moles to molecules.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.